Hi students, how are you all? All fine. Last class we had taken the poem The Echoing Green. Did you forget it? No? Very good. Now today we are going to take the second story in our unit, A Shake in the Grass. This story is written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is a well-known Indian writer in English. He wrote several novels and short stories that won him many awards. They deal with the peculiarities of human relationship and the relations of Indian life. Realities of Indian life. Most of his novels are set in the imaginary South Indian town of Malgudi. So, let's start. Here, I am going to show you a dramatical representation of our story. I want you to watch it carefully. Okay? So, here we start.
Hello, is there anybody inside? Hello.
Hey, what is it? Why are you shouting like that?
Sir, I am going home from Bazaar. I have seen a big cobra entering your compound.
What? Cobra?
Yes, sir. It's very big. So,
Oh my God.
it came this way. So, be careful. It might be dangerous.
Okay, I will take care of it. Mom? 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 Mom, wake up. Wake up, Mom.
What's the matter?
The snake entered our compound.
A snake? Have you seen it?
No, Mom, but the passerby told me.
A snake? Really?
Yes, snake. Where is it? In our compound.
Mom, I want to see it, Mom. I want to see it, Mom.
Is it demanding to see a snake? Where is the Dasa? Where is he?
Dasa?
Dasa?
Dasa? Dasa?
Dasa?
Dasa?
Dasa?
Dasa?
Dasa?
Dasa? Where is this old fellow? Where is he, mommy?
We don't know, Mom. Where is he? Okay, we will search there. Okay.
Let's go. Okay.
Dasa? 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 Mom, there he is.
Mom, he's taking nap, Mom. Well, you're in big trouble.
Ha, what a lazy fellow he is. He's taking a nap there.
Yes, you're right. Instead of searching for the snake, he's taking nap there. Wake him up.
Dasa?
Dasa?
Dasa, get up, Dasa.
Hey, don't disturb me. Can't you see I'm sleeping?
Dasa, go to enter the compound, Dasa.
What? A snake? How can a snake enter when I am here? No, go. Let me sleep.
Dasa, get up.
Mom, he's not waking up.
Dasa! Dasa! Dasa, get up! Get up now and search for the snake. If it is not found by the evening, that's it. You're off of the job.
Okay. I'll search for it. No.
Madhu? Madhu? Is it true what I heard? What have you heard? Madhu? Madhu, I heard that a cobra entered your home? Yes, it is. It is somewhere here. We are searching for that.
Look at all the grass. It's a big mess.
Yeah, you are correct. It's all a mess. Anyway, Madhu, you are the worst servant. Yes, Madhu, you have a lazy servant in fact. Do I have such a servant?
Hey, who asked you all to drop it? Can't you see you're searching for the snake?
Look at the way he talks. He's not only but also rude. Does not know how to behave.
What have I done? I was just saying I'm helpless.
Helpless? What do you mean?
The grass grows. How can I help it?
Don't you know? To keep the surroundings tidy?
I have been asking for the grass cutter for last 2 months. No one is providing it. How can I cut the grass? How can I keep it clean?
What? The grass cutter? That too in these days.
Dasa, learn not to make demands. You have to manage with available things only.
Mom, I told you already. A lawn mower is better than.
It's impossible to buy a grass cutter in this war time.
Yeah, you're right. The war has hiked up all the iron prices. We can't even think of buying a grass cutter now.
Yes, I bet you are true. The war is really devastating.
What am I to do with that? I just need a grass cutter.
Dasa, shut up now. We are trying to talk here something, just don't butt in.
But madam,
That's it, don't utter a word.
Madhu madam, your family have a great servant. He never works, but he talk a lot.
Anyway, where were we? The wartime prices. You say anything, but it is impossible to get anything in a reasonable price.
is that so? I can get anything at cheaper price.
Cheaper price? From the black market or what? I can't really understand. Going to addicted to the black market? As young people, don't you know this is going to affect our country? Don't you know? You are responsible for everything you do.
Mummy? There is newspaper. It means 30,000 people die of snake bite every year.
What? 30,000 people?
Yeah, it means 83 people every day.
My God. Dasa, have you heard this?
Hey.
How many members of this family do you expect?
What am I to do with that?
Oh, you lazy fellow. You're the reason. You haven't cut the grass and the snake is hiding there.
Oh, Madhu, I forgot. I have the milk boiling. I must go, Madhu. Take care of it. Take care.
You too, Madhu. Bye, Madhu.
Bye. Take care.
Good riddance. Hey, Dasa, take this. Yours. And search for the snake. If you find it anywhere, kill it there itself.
Oh, don't kill it. Leave it somewhere else.
Okay, ma. Okay. Ma, I have searched everywhere. There is no snake around here.
Dasa, shut up. Don't waste time. First get a chair and search for the snake.
nothing to eat. Ma, a poor homeless woman, ma. Hey, you! Don't disturb us now. Can't you see we are searching for a snake? Now just be off. A snake? It's not a snake, ma. Lord Subramanyaswara coming to your house. Have you forgotten any puja you promised?
What sin I have committed? Almost I forgot the Abhishekam that I promised.
You forgot about Abhishekam? No, ma. God is angry on you.
Then what should I do?
Sit, ma. Sit. You have to do Shantis to pacify him, ma. What Shantis? This is all nonsense. No God, no snake. Now just be off. Don't believe her, ma.
Oh, you sinner. How many times I have told you to not to butt in?
But, ma.
That's it. Don't utter a word.
So grateful to you. I will send a snake charmer. He will take her. Thank you.
Do you give 10 rupees to her? Do you think they are coming for free?
It doesn't matter, my son. She reminded me the Abhishekam that I forgot.
You people never change. You and your silly superstitions. Do the way you like.
Namaste, Maji. I am the snake charmer of Malgudi.
What? You are a snake charmer? I don't think so.
Oh, do you think so? Look in this then, what all I have.
Oh God! Don't open this. We have already enough snakes here.
Whatever. You don't need a snake charmer. You may go now.
Dasa, can't you stay a bit silent? Why are you interfering this?
Go and search for it.
Go after the snake. It's not my job. If you look at the snake, then I will pounce upon it and catch like this.
That means you can't catch it by your own.
True. But the moment you see it, just send it for me. Maji, I will be here in a jiffy. But right now I have a business elsewhere. Namaste, Maji.
But, oh, this charmer has let us down.
Let him go, Maji. He looks waste. I think he cannot search snakes.
Calling him names? Then it is your duty now. Go and search for the snake. If it is not found by the evening, I'll show you the door.
Okay. Mom, our bodies are aching so much. We left no stone unturned. No snake. All in vain, Mom.
Oh, my poor kids. Maybe Dasa is right. Maybe there is no snake here. Okay. Now the garden is neat. Let us keep in that way.
You are right, Mom. I suggest a lawnmower is better than this house. Anyway, where is Dasa?
Who knows? He would be somewhere here.
Oh, see, there he is. Dasa?
Dasa? What is in that pot? What is that?
There is a snake.
What? A snake?
Yes, when I was searching in the garden over there, I saw the pot moving. I peeped into it. There was the snake. I closed the lid and brought it here.
Wow.
Needless to say, you are the best servant in the whole world, Dasa.
Okay, but don't call me lazy after.
You're great, Dasa. Anyway, you're very great.
Okay then, I'll hand it over to the snake charmer. Take care, Dasa.
We were too harsh on you, isn't it? Yes, Mom, you're right.
But we are not lying. Isn't it true that he is lazy?
Of course. But he helped us now.
Mom, look at that. Another snake.
god! Are there 2 snakes in the garden? Maybe.
I don't think so. Dasa's spot might be empty.
You mean to say Dasa has tricked us?
Surely. You see, Mom, Dasa is the real snake in the grass.
Okay, how was the video? All enjoyed it? Okay, hope you all got the meaning of this story, isn't it? Okay, so that's all about this story. I hope all have understood it very thoroughly. Now you have to read the textbook. After finishing the class, you have to go and read the textbook very carefully, okay? And you have to find out if you have any difficult word, just put an underline and let me know, okay? I will also send some difficult words meaning along with this video, okay? Just check that also. So you have to understand all the meaning. If you are still finding difficulty, let me know, okay? Fine. Now let's go to the first activity. Take page number 27. The major events of the story A Snake in the Grass are given in a jumped order, okay? These events are not in the correct order. You have to correct it. This is very simple thing. You might have done it in the early classes. So lots of things are there. For doing this activity, you have to be study your story properly. After studying your story properly, only you can do this activity, because you can't say what's the order until you didn't study it properly. You will get the one by one which incident will happen first, then after that which incident will come, and last which incident will come. Like that you have to write here on page number 27, okay? So this is our story and this activities also, okay? Now that's for today. Next class we will finish this unit. We have some only some few activities left that we are pushing to next class, okay? It's 1 2 3 4 5 pages are there. That's it. It's very easy, so we can do it in class also, okay? So next class when you come in, you have to read the story very carefully, and you have to mark whatever difficult word you find. You have to say any difficulty. If you didn't understand the story also, no problem, let me know it, okay? Fine. Okay, see you then. Bye, take care.